How to fix Windows cannot access specified device path. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To fix that issue, what you need to do is first thing just head over to your search bar and simply search in for Windows security. So once you search in for that, just open the Windows security option and simply click on this option called app and browser control and simply select it, and from over here you have to click on this reputation based protection settings. So once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see these options. So basically from over here you just have to disable all of these options from over here, that is block apps and block downloads. So once you are able to download your particular applications on your device, you can simply turn this back on just like this. So that's the method one. So another method what you can also do is just click on any of the applications which you want to use and simply, or where you are facing issue, and simply right click on it and click on properties and head over to the security tab and just make sure you have selected the right user from over here. So you can also edit the permissions by simply tapping on this edit, and make sure to uncheck or disable all of these and simply click on OK and just restart your computer just like that, and your issue should be fixed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.